Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install PgSharp on BlueStacks step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official PgSharp website. PgSharp isn't available on the Google Play Store, so you can't install it through the normal Play Store method. Instead, you'll need to download its APK file manually. Once the APK starts downloading, wait for the download to finish. After the download is complete, take note of where the APK file is saved on your computer. You'll need to locate this file in the next step. Now, open BlueStacks and wait for it to load completely. Once BlueStacks is open, you have two ways to install the APK. The first method is to simply drag and drop the downloaded APK file directly into the BlueStacks window. Alternatively, you can use the Install APK option in the right-hand sidebar. Whichever method you use, BlueStacks will start the same installation process. You'll see a progress indicator while the APK is being installed. Once the installation finishes successfully, you'll see a confirmation, and PgSharp will appear in your BlueStacks apps. And that's it! If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tutorials